Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. As you probably guessed from the channel name, my name is Artem. I'm a mechanic and I fix all kinds of cars. And this right here is my Volkswagen Passat B6 with a 2.0-liter turbo diesel engine. As you can see, there's currently no engine under the hood. Why aren't you driving it? Why is the engine out of the car, you might ask? Well, I'm about to roll a quick clip so you can see why. It's actually a pretty basic but unexpected reason. Right now, I'm doing a full engine rebuild, tearing it down, cleaning it up to make it spotless, and ensuring there are absolutely zero leaks, no oil, no coolant, nothing. The whole motor is being put back together with fresh gaskets, and any worn out hoses are getting replaced. I also did a swerve flap delete and an EGR delete, both physically and coded out in the software. Because of that, instead of the stock 140 horsepower, this thing is now pushing 170. Yeah, it's stage 1. It's still running the stock turbo for now, but I want to go bigger in the future. If you're into this kind of content, make sure to subscribe and drop a comment below. There's a lot more coming. I'll be making videos on everything I do to this car, what's already done, and what's planned for the future. Peace out, everyone. As you can see, the timing belt tensioner pulley has come loose.